Do you like those everyday carry videos that the guys with the gun channels put out? I know I do. I love to see the gear that other people are carrying. And I like to hear the reasons why they chose one thing over another. It helps me sometimes. And there's been some other times where I got an idea. Maybe something they carry that I hadn't thought of, or somewhere they carry it. I'm like, that's cool. Now, I like watching those videos. But there's a part of me that would like to show off my EDC. I put a lot of thought into the gear I carry too. How about you? And we could all make a video like that, but who's going to see it? Oh, that's the purpose of this channel. Show off your everyday carry. You make a video of your EDC, you send it to me, and I'll put it up on this channel. And as word spreads, more and more people will see the gear that you carry and I carry. Sound like a good idea? Well, if you think so, send me an email to showoffyouredc@gmail.com. I'll send you back the instructions on how to make the video if you have any questions about that, some suggestions, things like that. It's not very hard. You send me your video, I'll put it up, and that way you can show off your everyday carry too.